Down number 3. All right, everyone ready?
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1, go. I'll just yell it this time since my air horn just went out. Are you guys? Hey, remember, not across the road.
I'm not the terrorist, fucker. Back up, hey.
Go! What's going on over here, Anthony?
I pinky promise, fuckers. Whoa. Hey, Quentin, he said a pinky promise. I said a pinky promise, serious, motherfucker. Not him. Don't do it. Don't do it. Whoever pulls the trigger first, I'm doing it. I don't want to get shot by him. I don't trust those 3 motherfuckers. Hey, I'll walk in front of you so you know I'm not going to shoot.
Good boy. Fucking Quinn.
We'll shoot you. Don't. You called me a dog. Don't do it. You know, you were the chosen one. You were the chosen one.
Guys, shots are fired. Hey, camera guy. Okay, watch out. Going right in the road. Watch out. Do not shoot, camera guy.
I knew it was you.
What, game over? Game over. Innocents win.